So guys, in this video I'm gonna tell you how to get a copyright registration for your work in India in very simple and easy steps for both the online as well as the offline process. Before starting, I must say that the process of getting a copyright in India for your work is really very easy, and I hope you'll agree with me on this after watching this video. So before starting with the process of getting a copyright, very briefly I'll tell you why you should actually be getting a copyright for your work. So there are two major reasons why you should be protecting your work by getting a copyright. The first one is getting due credits or acknowledgement for whatever hard work, the smart work, the talent, the skill that you have put in. And the second one is the monetization aspect. So this acknowledgement becomes really important because if your work is appreciated by your audience, this gives you name, fame, and reputation in the society and protects your work from any kind of illegal infringement. And as far as the aspect of monetization and commercialization is concerned, I'm sure you all must have heard about J.K. Rowling earning her fortune from her novels Harry Potter by selling the movie rights of that particular novel. Okay, so starting with the process, first of all you'll have to go to the official website of the Copyright Authority of India, which is copyright.gov.in. So here we are on this website. When you open this website, you'll get something similar interface even on your laptop screens. So first of all, I'll talk about the offline process, how you can do it. Once you're on this website, you click on the forms. When you click on the forms, you'll be redirected to this page. After being redirected to this page, this application form for getting for registration of your copyright, you click on this icon and you will be able to download a form like this, which is a 3-page form. Coming back to the online process, again we are on the home page of this website. When we come to this particular page, we have to click on this e-filing of application. Once you click on this link e-filing of application, you will be redirected to this page. Now since you are a new user, you have to create your user ID and password. You need to click on this new user registration. Once you click on this new user registration, you will be redirected to this page, and you just need to fill your basic details and you get your user ID and password. Once you are done with making your ID, you again come to the home page. Once you are to the home page, you again press on e-filing of application, and there below this telephone number which is written there, you get a link of, you click on that link and you'll be guided to this form. So this is a 3-page form. You just need to fill in some basic details such as your name, address, nationality, the type of work, the language of work, the interest you hold in that particular work, such as you are the owner or the publisher, etc., and you'll be done with filling of the form. After filling a form, you need to send the hard copies of your work along with the requisite documents to the Registrar of Copyrights, the address of which is mentioned on the first page of the form. So after sending a form to the Registrar of Copyrights, you need to wait for a period of 30 days, after which you get a diary number, which is a kind of acknowledgement that the Copyright Authority has received your application for granting of copyright license and your application is under the scrutiny. The scrutinization may take a maximum of 18 months, in which if there are any objections, you get a chance to remove them, and if there's no objection after it, the copyright is granted to you for that particular work. So this is how you get your copyright registered in India and enjoy your intellectual property. I hope you guys liked the video. Please hit the like button and subscribe to our channel to never miss the upcoming videos. Thank you so much for watching it.